Hi, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss you a simple and few points about encapsulation. What is encapsulation we have discussed? To maintaining a secure and a data like class members and class data and class methods we are hiding from others. So here why I have designed this lecture for to better control a class members, reducing the possibility of others to viewing the visibility part to reducing, and the fields can be made read only when if you use only the get method. Read only, it can be possible to apply the read only method, and write only if you use only the set method what we have discussed here. So these methods, which one you required, accordingly you have to follow, and accordingly your requirements, once you done the step by step, it will be flexible, like the programmer how he will change the requirement. Based on his requirement, he will prepare the get set methods. One of the part of the code, if you change it, what it is going, either you are using get method or set method, it depends upon to improvising the security and access privileges to the others. So it depends upon the business logic what it's required, and whenever you are trying to changing this get set methods, it won't affect to the program. They strongly remember it. It will be given access or it will be restricted to the person. That's it. The variable will be restricting, but ultimately the logic will not be get affected. If you are written an access parameter and you are implemented logic, means you have to specify the access for this parameter. That's it. Otherwise, the developer or programmer to have a specific reason to provide any other variable or resource for this. I hope it's very clear. We'll jump start to the next lecture. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.